Okay, let's get this thing going. Oh yeah. Nice. Get this thing out into the driveway. Very nice. Angry little motorcycle. I believe we need some fuel, so yep. Little fuel light. Alright, we'll go get some fuel. We'll go this way. Alright, I know where some fuel is. Hopefully we can get there in time. This bike has very little warning. It's like as soon as the light turns on, it's like find you a gas station ASAP. I have had to walk this thing a few blocks, and it is not fun. Very weird. I don't know what that was for. Actually, I think I'm going to go that way because I think fuel will be to my right. I'm going to go up to the racetrack. I like the racetrack a little better. Wow, this bike feels good. It's been a while since I've been on this bike. It's been a while since I've been filming on this bike. I have a new GoPro setup. I still have a GoPro Hero 7 black, so it's still like a pretty old GoPro, but I got a little slightly new setup so I can easily flip my visor up. That was one of the problems with my old setup. Every time I go to flip the visor up, the fucking thing was getting my way. I couldn't flip it up. It got so annoying. And then I double socked it up because the last few times I did a video, this is a while ago, I kept getting a lot of wind noise coming through, so I put the foam sock, and then I put a little like furry sock over that, so I double socked it. Ooh, yummy fuel. There we go. Alright, it's time to fill this thing up. Oh, stretch my legs a tiny bit. Whoop. Oh yeah, it's a little dusty, gotta clean that up. What do you want? Oh, I think we're good. This thing was really empty, holy shit. I was walking this thing in a few minutes. Oh yeah, this thing was really empty. I put 2.2 gallons in this thing. I don't know what the size fuel tank is, but I think I was almost down to the bottom. I think I was about to find out. Nope. Still kind of crazy. $10 for 2 gallons of fuel. Insane. Yeah, we're good now. Alright, time to get on our way. Well, hopefully he's alright. I think he's alright. I think he'll be alright. He's right in the middle of town. Should be alright. Well, jeez. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's people racing in the background behind me. It kind of merges into one lane, and they were trying to like fight for that lane. Fucking idiots. And then in front of me, while that's going down, you know, the guy just pulled out in front of me. Like, what the fuck? That's driving in Florida for you. It's fucking crazy. Oh hell yeah! I think I got away from the e-biker. It's a nice day today, actually. It's you know, for Florida, it's been like really hot and like not a lot of airflow, just super stale and humid. Just it's fucking bad. Like 110 plus degree weather, like really bad weather, or hot weather. It's not really bad, but it's just super hot. And so today it's kind of nice. It's about, well, I don't know what, my 87 degrees, which is really crazy. Oh, and that is not neutral. That is not the neutral. Oh, there we go. Now I'm in neutral. Yeah, 87 degrees in Florida right now is crazy good. So I'll enjoy the weather while it lasts. It's a little windy today. You can see by the clouds moving pretty quick, but that usually means there's going to be a lot of rain, so got to get my riding in while I can. Oh man, these roads. I'm out here in Lake County, and the reason it's called Lake County is there's a shit ton of lakes. Man, these lake roads are really nice. They got these, they kind of have to wind a little bit like this. They're not just dead straight like they are in most of Florida. Makes for really good riding. But the only downside is we're kind of in the neighborhood. As you can see, all the crazy fancy homes around us. So I always feel bad, like really ripping it through here, because sure, I like to have fun, but I don't like to be like ripping through a red line. You know, just trying to be a little respectful. That's a pretty cool car. Hey, little gem car. That's kind of cool. Ooh, those are nice. All right, one day I want to own this house up here. This thing is so sick. I want that house. I want that house. One day, you'll be mine. All right, rolling through. Got the Harley wave. Respect, respect, brother. Hell yeah. Outdoor is a real nice area. You know, most people that come to Florida, they go to Disney or the beach. This is like real Florida. Old Princess. Dora Dradi. Oh, hell yeah, that's a sick truck right there. All the little small towns in Florida, it's like you got a church on every street corner, and they're all like the same style church. They're all like Methodist over here, most of them. Oh, check this thing out. This thing's sick. It's a giant, I hate spiders, but it is kind of cool. It's like an old Volkswagen workshop. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. That's pretty sick. I think they work on like old, I've seen like old buses that sitting out front. Must be like a VW specialist. Yep, definitely First Baptist. Oh, there's a Baptist church. That's kind of what you expect mostly in Florida, all Baptist, Southern Baptist. My white side of the family is all from like Alabama and Georgia, so a lot of Southern Baptists. And then my dad's side, he's from Puerto Rico. We got a little bit of Jewish. We got my dad is like non-denomination. He works for a church. Super proud of him. I love my dad, and it's really cool. He works in logistics and security and logistics, so he gets all the behind the scenes. It's really, really cool. He's definitely in the modern era of religion, which is really, really cool. Just seeing the production quality is just as good as any like Hollywood studio. It's insane. It's insane. Dude, another sick truck. Dude, that's sick, dude. Hell yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, a lot of old cars here, and right here in Little Eustis, Tavares, Mount Dora area. the bike is running so good right now. For a while there, the bike was running like shit. You know, honestly, it never really ran like, ever since I owned it, like it never ran the way like it does now. And I honestly thought it was maybe just like that's how Ducatis were. Oh, because it was like really choppy throttle, and like honestly, if I was going slow maneuvers, it was just kind of like, I don't know, twitchy, just didn't feel right. But once it like got up into the rev range, it felt really good. And you know, I never had a Ducati before, so I just thought, oh, that's just how Ducatis are. You just gotta rev it out. But yeah, it got to the point where I couldn't start the bike. It was like one day I went to fuel up and got off the bike, turned the bike off, filled up, tried to start it again. It wouldn't start. I was like, oh shit. I ended up getting it started again, got me home. But on the way home, I had a check engine light pop up, and yeah, so I pulled the codes on the check engine, and it said a map sensor 3, cylinder 3 map sensor circuit high. And so I replaced the map sensor, and ever since then it's been running really good, like crazy good. Even the quick shifts are like super smooth. It doesn't like backfire as much. It feels like it's running the way it's supposed to. It's like perfect around town. Like if you were to ask me before, it'd be like, oh, it's like it sucks around town, but once you open it up, it feels great. Now that I have the working map sensor in there, I'm like, dude, this thing is a perfect bike for everything. Like you could go grab groceries if you have a backpack, and then you could go hit up a track and just fucking destroy lap times if you really wanted to. So that's a sick old VW, a little bug. That'd be a really fun project to build up. And hey, yo. Feels so good. I love that churn in right there. Woo! Oh yeah, this is a nice little road. One thing I will say about Lake County back roads, a lot more fun than Orange County back roads, that's for sure. Orange County, I grew up in Orange County. I'm born and raised Orlando, and that's where my heart's at. But this is really nice. But yeah, this Lake County is just nice small town vibes. Kind of what I just enjoy it. I still work in Winter Garden, but I like to live out here. This is just nice. When I'm coming home from work, you can feel like the vibe changes once you cross a certain threshold, and you're like, oh man, just everything kind of slows down a little bit. It's super nice. Now we're traveling through some neighborhoods, hopefully not cause too much of a ruckus. Ugh, my arm. My hand gets a little numb on these high vibrations. But yeah, nice little neighborhood. Try not to be too loud. I saw somebody out there working. Last thing I want to do is get this place super policed because somebody's running around, you know, ripping a super loud motorcycle through the neighborhood. Got fresh pads. Got a new map sensor. I was gonna just replace all of them, but they're pretty expensive. They're $100 for each map sensor, so I just replaced the one that's bad, and I'll wait until the other one throws a code. Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. This is like the best type of weather. I miss this type of weather in Florida. I don't think it's definitely, it even feels like it's in the 80s. It doesn't feel like 130 degrees. Oh dude, there's been days where you step outside and it's like walking into an oven. Like you know the feeling when you open an oven door after you're cooking something and that wave of hot air hits you? It's exactly what it feels like in Florida right about now. This thing just loves the back roads. It destroys little side roads like this. And then whenever you get like an open straight, you can just like open it up. Hey, let's go. Hey, gotta show respect to the e-bikers. It's like the new next generation of motorcycle riders. He was a little older, but you know what I mean. A lot of younger kids have the e-bikes. I was talking to a coworker of mine. He's real young, and it's kind of interesting. He's like, he was thinking about getting a first motorcycle, and he's like, I told him, oh, you should start on something like a 250, like a dual sport. Is what I did. And he's like, oh, I think I want to get an e-bike, like a Sur-Ron. I was like, you know what? That actually isn't a bad idea. Like, you could learn quite a bit, and you don't need a motorcycle license. So you learn on that. You get all the fundamentals, and you go take your test, and you go get a real bike. You know what I mean? It's actually like crazy efficient. Oh, this bike sounds so good right now. Whew, this feels good. It's been a minute since I've been on this bike. Oh, dude, you want to hear this thing? This thing has been running real good. Oh yeah, sounds good. Whew, it's a little hot. Well. Oh, I gotta put this inside. What am I doing? God damn, Anthony, could I have parked any closer to the fucking garage? There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, she's a little toasty. I love this thing. I love you, Ducati. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice, y'all. Very nice, y'all. Oh, this thing looks so sick, dude. Even just standing still like this, it looks beautiful. Oh my god, it's like a rolling fucking art piece. God, this thing is fucking sexy. Alright, I'm done. I'm done admiring it. Let's go back inside. It's hot out here. Oh, the AC feels so good. Oh my god. Alright, well that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Maybe. I might not actually post a lot of these videos. Who knows? Because I got a life. And it gets in the way. And that sucks. But if you subscribe and share the video, then I can just do this full time. And I don't have to work. That'd be awesome. That's the dream. Alright. Peace.